Dino Day. What's the dinosaur say, Henry? What you think, Henry? Scary? Raw. I think so too. What's that? T-Rex? What's that? What's that? T-Rex? Touch the tail?
You want to get a picture with him?
The baby one? Okay.
Oh, it's okay, you won't get ya.
Come here, Bob.
Henry, over here, Bob. Hi. Hi.
Wow.
So we did the dinosaur thing today, Top Show Fair. It was okay. A little pricey. They said give yourself an hour and a half to an hour. We literally did it in 15 minutes. You just walk around and the dinosaurs make noises and you touch them. We actually walked around twice in 15 minutes. So I would say don't waste your money. The kids like this. If your kids really like dinosaurs, it might be cool. But for us, it was like, whatever. But we probably wouldn't do it again. It's only there for the weekend, so it doesn't really matter. But something to think about. If your kid really loves dinosaurs, it'd be cool. If they don't, you could probably spend $100 for 3 people doing something else. But I just want to show you the moon behind me. Let's see. Here we zoom in. There we go. Right there. Moon looks wild tonight. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and talk to you soon.